How to add the SnapMap widget to your home screen on Android. This tutorial shows you how to pin the SnapMap widget directly to your home screen on your Android device. First, go to your home screen on your Android device. After that, pinch in or long press on any empty space on the home screen. From there, tap on Widgets to open the Widget selection screen. At this point, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Snapchat. In the next step, tap on Snapchat to expand its available widgets. Following this, look for the SnapMap widget from the list of available Snapchat widgets. Once done, tap and hold on the SnapMap widget and drag it to your preferred spot on the home screen. From here, release your finger to drop the widget in place. Finally, tap anywhere outside the widget to confirm the placement, and your SnapMap widget will now be live on your home screen, giving you quick access to the map without opening the app. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you add the SnapMap widget to your home screen, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.